Welcome back to the channel. I'm Artsy. I hope you're doing well today. I have quite a few development updates for you. Remember, if you like these type of videos, don't forget to leave a comment, like, share, and subscribe. Now let's get into it. I stopped by Whittle Village to see that new construction we saw on our last visit, and guess what? It is Wendys after all, and they are now open. We have the construction that was started recently behind the Westgate Shopping Center. As you can see, some progress has been made on the drains since our last visit. Do you remember what we thought this project might be? I also passed by the construction going on at the bridge on Dr. Marker Brown Road, close to the Westgate Shopping Center. Some work was taking place and I didn't want to interrupt, so I recorded from a distance. Here's a reminder of what we saw the last time I stopped by. They're widening this bridge as a part of the Montego Bay Bypass project. And talking about the bypass, I checked the section that they are working on along the road to Norwood. I will show you that later on in the video. So just a reminder, this massive project has the potential to significantly boost Jamaica's economy in several ways. First, by alleviating traffic congestion, the bypass will make commuting smoother and faster for thousands of Jamaicans every day. This improved efficiency will increase productivity, reduce vehicle wear and tear, and lower fuel costs. The widening of this bridge is an important part of easing these traffic issues. One critical aspect of the Montego Bay Bypass Perimeter Road project is its commitment to sustainability. Montego Bay has been plagued by flooding, especially during the rainy season. To address this issue, the project includes a drainage study that will inform the construction of culverts and other water management systems. By improving drainage, the project aims to mitigate future flood damage, ensuring that roads remain operational during severe weather events. In relation to this issue, I really wish they would also make this bridge higher, because when there's a lot of rain, this river can overflow like it did a couple years ago. The project, which involves around 700 workers at its peak, is expected to boost the local economy by creating jobs and opening new corridors for residential and industrial development. It is already attracting investments such as Ushore Commercial Development out at Westgate Hills and the Barnett Logistics and Distribution Hub also out at Westgate Hill. And then we have the new industrial facility being constructed by the National Baking Company. These developments signal the potential for business growth in the area caused by the road construction. I also stopped by the National Bakery construction site. I must say that this is the most progress I've seen at this site so far. Just a reminder, the National Baking Company is constructing this $6.7 billion, 120,000 square foot manufacturing plant in the Catherine Hall area. When completed, this new facility will generate 75 direct jobs and produce over 3,600 loaves per hour, serving regions like St. James, Trelawney, St. Anne, Hanover, Westmoreland, and St. Elizabeth. It should be completed next year if they remain on schedule. According to this article, National will incorporate the use of robotics for the first time in its businesses, and with the aim of reducing laborious and repetitive processes that human beings just can't do anymore. So we are going to be maximizing efficiency by using advanced production processes and new generation robotics. As promised, our next stop is a section of the Montego Bay Bypass project by the road that connects Ironshore to Norwood. Remember, this is where they had the groundbreaking ceremony a couple years ago for the Montego Bay Bypass project. A viewer asked me to visit this site some time ago, and I finally got the chance to do so. The Montego Bay Perimeter Road project is making significant strides, with 2024 bringing notable developments. This large-scale infrastructure, when completed, should not only decrease traffic congestion in Montego Bay, but also improve regional connectivity and unlock new areas for economic growth. By early 2024, over 60% of the route had been excavated, setting the foundation for what will include Jamaica's longest bridge. Spanning 14.9 kilometers, this new bypass will connect Ironshore to Westgate, offering a smoother and safer alternative to the heavily trafficked city roads. Local communities surrounding Montego Bay, such as Irwin, Cornwall Courts, Granville, and Catherine Hall, will benefit immensely from the project. The increased connectivity provided by the bypass will allow for faster commutes to and from Montego Bay city centre, reducing traffic time and improving access to jobs, schools, and medical facilities. If you're interested in seeing work being done on Jamaica's longest bridge, check out this next video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button, comment, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one.